Alyssa, and I'm really excited to be here today to talk about a new subscription option from Darn Good Yarn. This new sub option is called our Swatch of the Month Club, and this club is really awesome because each month I'm going to be hand selecting special yarns that are going to be delivered right to your door. Now these might be some old favorites or some new yarns or new colorways that no one's even gotten the chance to play around with yet. So once that yarn gets to your door, what you're going to want to do is work it up into a swatch. A nice little 4x4 in whatever craft you're most comfortable in. Knitting, crochet, Tunisian crochet, weaving. Then you're going to want to send that swatch back to us at Darn Good Yarn, and you're going to have the rest of that yarn to play with however you want. Plus, stay tuned to see what I'm going to do with all these incredible swatches. Thanks! Have a nice one!